Hi everyone, today I tell you about the pronunciation with the S and ES ending sound. The pronoun is three ways, and is. The third sound, for example, guest, sports, works, wait, sit, drinks, snacks, books. For example, sentences. I walk on the road. She walks on the road.
Mặt đẹp rồi.
Wait. I wait him in the rain. He waits me in the rain. Sleeps. I sleep on the chair. She sleeps on the chair.
Đón đọc lúc nào?
Snacks. There is a snacks. There are three snacks. Books. There is a book. There are three books. The second sound is voice out. For example, things, clothes, drawers, rings, shoes, pens, jobs, hands. For example, sentence things. I buy new things. She buys three things. Calls. I calls him. She calls him. Pens. There is a pen. Sorry. There is a pen. There are three pens. Rings. I bring the gift for you. She brings the gift for you. Hands. There is the hand. There are three hands. The first sound, this, is. For example, watches, boxes, buses, bridges, watches, changes, fishes, glasses, brushes. For example, sentence, there is a bus. There are three buses. Washes. I wash my face. She washes her face. Sorry, she washes her face. Changes. I change my job. She changes her job. Coaches. There is a coach in my class. There are three coaches in my class.